Dolinha, Dolinha, olha só. O negócio é o seguinte. A vida não é fácil. Dolinha, olha aqui. Olha, a vida não é fácil. Não, calma aí. A gente tá tendo uma conversa. We are having a conversation. Eu sei. Mas olha só, explica.
Try to scare the dog.
Dolly's pooing herself.
Dolly! Dolly! Down! Down!
Olha aqui.
Vem falar com a sua tia.
Aqui.
Come and talk to Granny.
Dolly.
To Granny, no. God.
Aqui. Vem. Come talk to me. Because I was teaching you about life. And life is tough for everybody. And I know it's not easy for you because you are a dog. We know that. We know. But it's not easy. But you have to get used to it. É porque eles estão falando lá, ela fica chamando a atenção.
Dolly Maria!
Ela vai comer a pipoca dele toda. Aqui, Dolinha.
Dolly Maria! Dolly!
Hey, you think you gotta poo yourself? Yeah, honestly, that is the most
Fireplace where dead babies go. We count 15 of the creepiest things little kids have ever said to parents
7
and
minutes long.
babysitters. Number 15. A person walking around their aunt's house when they spotted their 4-year-old cousin April sitting on the stairs pulling funny faces. When she was asked, April mentioned she was copying the lady with the braid, pointing towards a beam running parallel to the stairs, pulling invisible faces. April claimed the invisible woman's braids were around her neck for some reason, hanging by her braid. The funny faces April seemed to be copying were like someone gasping for air. Number 14. A father who had a best friend named Joe that committed suicide. Joe's wife called the father, blaming herself for Joe's death. The dad consoled her and reminded her that Joe loved her very much and that she was surely not to blame. He hung up the phone and checked on his kids who were fast asleep. He went back downstairs only to come back up and find his son Matty awake, silently weeping on the side of his bed. When the dad asks what's wrong, his son replies, "Rick, it's not her fault.